Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all hyperlink in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with many hyperlinks. Now I delete this all hyperlinks at once. At first, you have to go extensions menu. Now you can see here are add-ons option. Now click get add-ons. Now search here text cleaner. Then press enter. Now you can see here are text cleaners extension. I already installed this text cleaner. Now you have to install this text cleaner. Now I close this window. Now I delete all hyperlinks to text cleaner. Select this all text, then go to tools extension options. Now you can see here are text cleaner. Now you can see here are remove links and underlines option. Just press it. Now you can see I delete all hyperlinks in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.